Sometimes on threads, you may come across any post, and in the normal case, everyone can reply to that comment. But if you want to set who can reply to that comment, you can set that too. In this video, we will be telling you about this. For this, open the Threads application. When you're opening it, here you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you're clicking on that, here you can see the replace option. Click on replace. When you're clicking on that, here you can see every post that you've commented on. And for example, I'm selecting this post. After that, here you can see the comment option. Click on this comment option. When you're clicking on that, here you can see every comment. And here you can see my comment also, and next to that you can see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots. When you're clicking on that, here you can see post options. Click on post options. When you're clicking on that, here you can see who can reply and quote. And by default, it will be set to anyone. That means everyone can reply and quote to this comment. And if you want only your followers to reply and quote, you can select your followers, or if you want, you can select profiles you follow. That means only profiles you follow will be able to reply and quote, or you can select profiles you mention if you have mentioned anyone in this comment. And if you have set this also, here one more option is there, review and approve replies. If you're turning it on, only the comments you review and approve will be visible. So this you can set according to your need. For example, I'm setting it like this. After that, click on this done button. When you're clicking on that, that setting will be saved. So this way you can easily set who can reply and quote to any of your comments on Threads. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.